If you're like most people, there's a high chance that you pass time by browsing through your smartphone. Watching YouTube tutorials and catching up on your social media accounts is all great, but such activities don't pad your wallet. Instead, you can maximize your leisure time by downloading an app that earns you a few extra dollars. Many people are hesitant to use money-making apps because they assume that they're not legit. But contrary to popular belief, you really can make money using a smartphone app. No strings attached. In this video, we'll take you through 10 of the best apps that pay you real money. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. 1. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬. Developed in 2011, this is one of the longest-standing money-making apps. This application helps you make a couple of dollars by engaging in something that you're already doing: grocery shopping. Before you visit the store where you're planning to shop, check the app to see if there are any available rebates. You'll have to specify the store you're planning to visit. The app works in conjunction with major stores like Walmart, Target, Kroger, Costco, Publix, and Sam's Club. After selecting the store, choose the available rebates of interest. Once you've made your decision, you'll be asked to complete a simple task. This ranges from watching a video to answering easy questions. The app sometimes provides a recipe for a newfound ingredient. In some instances, you may not even have to complete a task to qualify for rebates. Afterward, you can visit your chosen store and shop. When you get back home, you should scan the barcode of the product that you wanted a rebate for. Upon scanning, there'll be a small beeping sound notifying you that the product corresponds to the selected rebate. Once you've scanned all the items of interest, snap a photo of the receipt and upload it to the app. Now all you need to do is wait patiently as the funds are being sent to your account. Ideally, you should receive your money within an hour or two. But on very busy days, the transaction may take up to 48 hours. 2. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 is the truest definition of quick money. Even though it doesn't claim to make you a millionaire overnight, it's incredibly easy to earn points by accomplishing a variety of tasks. The best part is, you can do all these from the comfort of your sofa, which makes it suitable for stay-at-home moms. The first step is to sign up on the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 platform. Once you've done this, all you need to do is choose an activity to do and earn points from it. You can then exchange the points for cash or rewards. Ways to earn 𝐸𝐸𝐵𝐿𝐿. 1. Make 𝐸𝐸𝐵𝐿𝐿 your default search engine. Instead of using Google or Bing, you can use 𝐸𝐸𝐵𝐿𝐿 to search for things on the internet. Doing so will help you rack up points quite fast. If you search daily, you can earn as much as $300 within 6 months. 2. Watch videos. Another way to generate income on 𝐸𝐸𝐵𝐿𝐿 is by simply watching videos. The payout isn't all that high, but the fact that you're earning money by getting entertained is alluring. 3. Fill out surveys and polls. This involves completing a couple of surveys every day. Don't worry, you won't be spending half of your day doing this. Most surveys and polls take only 3 to 20 minutes, meaning you can fill them and engage in other income-generating projects. 3. Healthy wage. You can get paid for losing weight, seriously. Healthy wage gives you financial incentives to lose weight. You can even join weight loss challenges to have others to keep you accountable. How it works. Use the calculator to see how much you can win should you reach your weight goal. It includes factors such as the length of time, how much weight to lose, and how much you'd like to wager that you'll reach your goal. Healthy Wage is funded by corporate and government agencies that want to support creative ways for people to lose weight. You can increase your winnings by adjusting your wager, goal amount to lose, and length of time to lose the weight. When you reach your goal, you win the money. And you're healthier too. 4. Drop app. Drop is an app that rewards you for shopping at the places you love. You can shop online, use food delivery services, and book travel. For each eligible purchase, you'll earn points that you can then trade in for gift cards. Drop covers a variety of stores from discount to higher end. This makes it likely that you'll find stores you frequent yourself on there. 5. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 is a survey-style app that gives generous payouts. You can answer surveys and watch videos in your spare time and get paid. Better yet is that they'll pay you directly by PayPal. How it works. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 is built upon finding and completing missions. This could be answering surveys, watching videos, or other easy tasks. There's no limit to the number of missions you can complete in a day, nor is there a minimum number you must complete. It's all truly up to you. Another perk is that 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞's payout thresholds are low, starting at $5. They'll even deposit your money directly into your PayPal account, so you aren't forced to use it on gift cards. 6. �𝐨𝐴𝐵𝐷. 𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐷 is a gaming app that lets you earn units for playing games. It lets you discover new games and have fun earning money. They've deemed themselves as the rewards app for gamers. How it works. After you download the 𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐷 app, you'll be able to discover and play mobile games. While playing, you can do challenges and earn units. Units function the same as points. When you get to certain levels, you can exchange your units for gift cards. Ways to earn units faster are to hit higher levels with your avatar and join extra challenges. 7. 𝐥𝐴𝐳𝐿. Shopping is a two-edged sword. On the one hand, you're excited to buy new things and watch the cashier bag your items. But on the other hand, you're overwhelmed with guilt because you're not certain of the extent of damage that you've done to your bank account. But what if I told you there was a way to earn extra cash doing what you love most? With 𝐥𝐴𝐳𝐿, you can get rewards for your shopping activity, regardless of whether you're shopping online or at a brick-and-mortar store. How it works. There are a couple of ways through which you earn cashback with 𝐥𝐴𝐳𝐿. For one, you earn kicks for simply walking into a store that works in conjunction with 𝐥𝐴𝐳𝐿. Other methods include scanning barcodes on chosen products, buying something and submitting the receipt, buying products using a linked card, making online purchases from select stores, watching videos. 8. Inbox dollars. If you've been looking for a way to earn extra cash during your spare time, inbox dollars is the ultimate solution. The sign-up process is easy, meaning you can start earning money as soon as possible. How it works. The first step is to sign up on your smartphone. Next, activate your account and qualify for the $5 bonus that's awarded to new users. To make your account active, all you need to do is look for the first paid email in your email inbox and verify receipt. Next, you'll be required to complete several surveys before you can start earning money. The significance of filling out these surveys is that they make it easier for you to be matched with surveys which match your interest in the future. With your account active and surveys filled out, you can start earning money using any of these ways. Watching how-to videos, completing every item in the to-do list, reading emails, completing the 100% free offers, searching the web, filing out more surveys. 9. Opinion Outpost. Get rewarded for your opinion by taking easy quick surveys on Opinion Outpost. Everyone has downtime, whether it be waiting between meetings or scheduled activities. Instead of doing mindless browsing, get paid for that time. How it works. Opinion Outpost is straightforward. Give your opinion on their surveys and earn rewards. Unlike other survey apps that only offer gift cards, Opinion Outpost offers payment straight to PayPal along with Visa and Amazon gift cards. 10. 𝐵𝐵. 𝐵𝐵 app is based on a very simple premise: convert your pictures to money. Companies are always looking for images they can use to advertise their brand. Perhaps a firm needs a picture that they can post on their website or add to their company brochure. With 𝐵𝐵 app, you'll get potential clients willing to pay for your photos. If you have stunning images, you have a good chance of earning from them. This concludes today's video all about 10 ways on how to make money with apps. We live in an era that provides an infinite number of opportunities to make money. Even though it may not seem like it, this is one of the best times to make money, even if you don't have a traditional 9-to-5 job. All you need is your smartphone, the right app, and an investment of your time. Money-making apps help you earn in different ways, but they all let you earn significant money over time. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of our latest uploads.